Girls are making $1,000 plus per Instagram post while you're giving brands free content. I've cracked the code on social media monetization after making over 6 figures online, and Instagram has been a major part of my journey. And what I'm about to show you is going to change everything about how you approach your content. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why smart girls are treating Instagram like a business, not a hobby, and how you can start making money using 4 proven methods in the next 14 days. For those who don't know, I went from 0 followers to building a multi-6-figure online business, grew to 330,000 followers on Instagram, and created Passive Profit Club, where I teach others how to monetize their social media. But here's what most people don't realize about Instagram money. The girls making real money aren't just posting pretty pictures. They use it for specific monetization models that most people completely ignore. The first way girls are getting rich on Instagram, and this is the easiest one to start: affiliate marketing. Most people think affiliate marketing is just posting random links. What they don't understand is that smart girls are turning their everyday recommendations into passive income streams. Every time someone asks, "Where did you get that?" in their comments, that's money waiting to be made. But instead of just answering, successful creators have learned to monetize those moments. When I started my monetization journey 2 years ago, I discovered that affiliate marketing isn't about being salesy. It's about being genuinely helpful while earning commissions. Here's how girls are actually doing it. They're creating top 5 content that people naturally want to save and share. A skincare routine breakdown, favorite workout gear, kitchen gadgets that actually work. Each recommendation has an affiliate link attached. The beauty is, you don't need hundreds or thousands of followers. I've seen girls with 1,000 engaged followers make $300 to $500 monthly just from Amazon associates, because they're solving real problems for their audience. Second way, and this is the one that builds authority: selling digital products. Smart girls figured out they don't need to reinvent the wheel. They're packaging their knowledge into simple PDFs, templates, and guides that sell 24/7. Think about it. If people are constantly asking you about your skincare routine, your workout plan, or how you organize your life, that's a digital product waiting to happen. I watch my Passive Profit Club members create simple 10-page guides and sell them from $19 to $47 repeatedly. A fitness girl selling 7-day home workout plan. A beauty creator with clear skin checklist. The power here is you create it once and it keeps selling while you sleep. That's how you build real passive income, not just by trading time for money. The third way, and this is the shortcut method: done for you digital products with Master Resale Rights. Here's what blew my mind when I discovered this. You don't even have to create products from scratch. There are ready-made digital products you can rebrand and sell as your own, keeping 100% of the profits. Most people have never heard of Master Resale Rights, but smart girls are using this to build businesses overnight. You get a proven product, proven sales pages, proven systems, and you just add your branding. That's exactly what I offer inside the Passive Profit Club. Not only do my members learn all these monetization strategies, but they also get Master Resale Rights to PPC itself. They can resell the entire program and keep every dollar. I take care of the product and you make 100% of the profits anytime you recommend PPC to any of your community members. It's like having a complete business handed to you. No product creation, no guesswork, just marketing and sales. The fourth way, and this is where the real money is: mastering brand partnerships and negotiations. This is where I make my $1,000 plus per collaboration, and it's not because I have the most followers. It's because I learned something crucial. If a brand is reaching out to you, they already see value in your content. Most creators approach this completely wrong. They get excited about the free products and treat brand outreach like a gift instead of a business opportunity. In my earlier days, I made this exact mistake. Brands would slide into my DMs saying, "We love your content, we'd love to send you our amazing products for a post," and I'd get excited about free stuff. Then I realized something that changed everything. Every gifted collaboration was money left on the table. The key insight from my free paid partnerships guide: You can get paid brand deals with as little as 100 engaged followers. Yes, 100. The secret isn't your follow count, it's how you position yourself and negotiate. Let me show you my exact system. When a brand offers gifted collaboration, I respond with, "Hi brand name, thanks for reaching out. I love your products and would be excited to work together. My current investment for brand collaborations is X dollar for a single post plus 3 stories for $800, post plus stories plus reel for $1,000, and then usage rights for ads an additional $300. I'd love to create content that drives real results for your brand. Which package aligns best with your marketing goals?" Notice what happened? I didn't reject their offer, I presented professional alternatives. This shifts the entire conversation from free work to business investment. Now let's talk about the game changer here. The game changer most people miss: UGC, user generated content. You can make $300 to $800 per video without needing any followers at all. Brands pay you to create content for their page, not yours. They need authentic content for ads, and even with 0 followers, if you can create scroll-stopping videos, you get paid. This is exactly what I teach inside my paid partnership guide: how to turn every brand outreach into a paid opportunity even as a complete beginner. What's really happening right now is we are witnessing the biggest shift in creator monetization. The influencer marketing industry is worth $16 billion and growing. Traditional advertising is failing, and brands are desperately shifting budgets to authentic creators who can actually drive results. The girls who understand these 4 monetization models are building real businesses. Those who don't, they're still hoping for viral videos and brand gifts. The reality is, every day you wait is money left on the table. While you're posting for likes, smart creators are turning every post into a revenue opportunity. If you want my complete breakdown of all the 4 monetization methods, including my exact scripts, templates, and step-by-step frameworks, I have created a comprehensive free guide just for you. DM me monetize on my Instagram account linked below, and I will personally send it to you. Or you can find them linked below in the description box. This is the exact same system that has helped every single PPC member build profitable social media businesses. Hit that subscribe button for more strategies that actually generate income. See you in the next one.